It's us versus the truck. Duh, 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 on YouTube. The Gentleman Race. Stay tuned next week when we cut into the body. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are on our way to pick up our new four-wheel drive. Last night, I spent a bunch of time rain-Xing the glass and making sure she was all shiny. I shampooed the interior yesterday. Boom, boom, boom. The car is cleaner than it's ever been as far as the interior is concerned. I spent a whole bunch of time on it, probably like 7 hours, but that's not what's important. What's important is we are going to Calgary. We are taking Magnus with us. Magnus! Magnus! Yay! Oh, come on, come on. He always needs a little bit of help, guys. It's hilarious. There you go, bud. There you go. All right, we are gonna get on the road and we will catch up with you along the way. I got picked up in Canmore by a good friend of mine. We hung out last night, had a catch up. I stayed in this very basic girls' room last night, but that's not what's important. What is important is we are off to the, gonna get a coffee first, obviously, but then we're off to the registry. I need to get some documentation for Supertune so that they can do the out-of-province inspection on the new vehicle. And yeah, my wife just emailed me our insurance policy, so I have my pink slip to submit at the registry. All the paperwork on that end is sorted. It's just a matter of getting it inspected and getting it registered so we can drive it back to BC. We are in front of Registry Express at North Hill Shopping Center. I have my mask on because masks are mandatory in all Alberta businesses. I have all of my documentation here with me to get the truck registered. What we need to do is start the process and get a form for its out-of-province inspection. The truck is at Supertune, so we'll take this form and get the guys to inspect it. Hopefully there's no issues and we can get this vehicle plated today, but we will see how it goes. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, I got my little form from the Alberta Registry. It cost me $9. So far, importing this vehicle and getting it insured and registered has been absolutely zero drama. I do not know why more people are not importing vehicles. They're way better. They get taken care of to a much higher standard. And I guess that's all I gotta say about that. But we are off to Mastertune where we can, oh, she's saying go straight or right. Oh, what? Yeah. We're on a bit of, this is my homie at Will the Adventurer, and we are now on an adventure because Google Maps is fucking taking us all around town. Yeah, I don't know, but we will catch up with you guys as soon as we get to the truck. I am so excited to see it.
Managed to find a McLaren right there, beautiful.
But we still haven't found our new truck. We will continue on our journey. All right, guys, here is the new truck. It is the 2002 Hilux Surf SSR-X with the 3-liter 1KD FTV diesel in it. It looks like absolute shit. It arrived here on Friday to Mastertune. They've gone through it, and like all of our vehicles on the out-of-province inspection, there are some issues. We've got a little bit of rust in one of the door frames. There is issues with the struts. one of the rear emergency brake things in the drums is seized and needs to be broken free, and then front rotors also potentially need to be replaced. So I am gonna just wait and hang out and go through the truck and find all of its little cool bits and pieces, and we will get a quote from Rick here at Mastertune, and we'll see what it's gonna cost to get us up and running and past our inspection and out of here.
A tape deck. Ah!
So this little tiny teeny bit of rust in there underneath the seal could end up being a major problem for my out of province inspection. I don't know. I'm gonna catch up with Rick and we'll find out if we can do something about that, or if I need to go and grind that out and Bondo and paint it, or what the case is gonna be.
The engine.
Yeah, it's 100% the engine and the transmission. All right guys, so I'm at Mastertune, and where did that rust go? Oh yeah, right in here. So all in through here, this is all rusted. And then we have this sacrificial panel here that could come off like easy and get swapped out. That's all rusted, but there's probably rust all up in here behind this plastic and maybe through here. Importing this vehicle and getting it insured and registered has been absolutely zero drama. I already did that little bit in the door seal where it's rusted, but I mean, it is what it is. Yeah. The guys here have you guys already installed the KYB struts up front? Yeah. You got the KYB struts up front to replace the ones that were on it. And unfortunately, I got to shoot back to Kamloops so I can get back to work, but I'll be back in 2 weeks to pick it up and everything will be sorted. All right, guys, that was Rick and the boys from Mastertune. They are really awesome. None of the issues that we are having with the truck are their fault at all. But I am just gonna call the wife and let her know everything. She does know she's coming to pick me up, but she doesn't know everything that's going on with the car. Hello. So I just actually went into Mastertune and talked to Rick, and we looked at the rust under the vehicle, and they've got the KYB shocks and everything installed. And so this is the list of stuff that we are repairing or replacing on the vehicle. Rust on the rear driver's side passenger door, rust on the door sill front passenger side, small hole. So there's that hole under the rubber. Surface rust and 2 holes underneath the rear quarter panel, which you guys I just showed you in the shop on the video. And then bent axle shaft housing, blown axle shaft bearing. 2 front struts need replacing, and the battery is fucking rubbish and needs to be replaced. And we'll get an oil change done on it and check all the fluids to make sure that it's fucking tip top. I mean, yeah, that's roughly $2,300 worth of stuff, which sucks. But I mean, yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah, and we gotta get that done before winter then?
Yeah, it's advisable to do that as soon as we can. Like, not immediately, but before it snows. Yeah.
Alright. Alright, well, I wasn't expecting that much stuff to be wrong with it, but...
I know, but it's a YouTube channel. We need some fucking drama. We need to have things to do on the channel. Yeah, I don't know. We'll order a couple of parts. We'll get a little body kit. We'll take it off the frame. Then we'll get it, you know, the little bit of rust cut out and new parts welded in and get everything rust treated. And, you know, $1,000 later, we should be sorted. I mean,
I just want to see my truck.
I know, 15,500 is the new price, delivered, ready to go, out of province inspected.
Oh.
Yeah.
I hope it doesn't go up anymore.
I know. But I mean, it's a 1KD 3-liter FTV diesel, which is a bit of an anomaly in Hilux Surfs. Normally it's a 1KZ diesel, so we've got the better block that came out of the Land Cruiser and went into the 2005 to 2011 Hilux, just the normal Hilux. So we've got, yeah, it's an Unreal motor. We got a good price on it. This is terrible, but it's YouTube, it's gonna happen. We'll go for a walk in Lake Louise and you can pick me up, and in 2 weeks we'll come and we'll actually do a video where we have stickers to put on it and everything. And this will be way better. the unveiling Master Chief 4-wheel drive take 2. Or we can just throw it on this video. I don't know. We'll see what happens, guys. All right, but I love you, wife, and I'll talk to you later. That's the update. I love you, and I'll talk to you later. Okay,
I
bye.
love you too. Bye.
I love you guys too, and I'll talk to you later. All right, guys. So the truck was a disaster. We are definitely not picking it up. Will and I have come to Lake Louise. We are going to do a little bit of a walk in the mountains. The wife is gonna meet us here so she can pick me up and take me back to BC. And hopefully in 2 weeks, everything will be sorted and we'll be cruising in that sweet 3-liter diesel. But yeah, we'll go on a little adventure, bring you with us.